Alright guys, it's about 10:45 right now. I just connected the light and then I'm gonna test it with my regular lights on my garage. So let's say I'm gonna let you guys decide and see the difference. Let's go. Guys, one of the most product that I will be using for myself, this LED light. This is very bright. I don't know if you guys can see it on the video. I'm not sure if the video is doing justice to this product, but to me, it's really bright. So I'm just gonna put all the details of this one on the comment section below. I'm gonna fight for you guys to get a discount code to get it even cheaper. You're gonna find all the details on the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon with the better ever products for you guys. Let's go.